All right, so let's talk through what your homework is going to look like today. You're going to have three directions. Write the polynomial so that the exponents decrease from left to right. Identify the degree, tell how many terms. And so the highest exponent is here. So we're going to write 2n to the 7th plus 6n to the 4th. We have written the polynomial, so the highest exponent is on the left, the lowest exponent is on the right. Number 2 says to identify the degree. Remember, the degree is the degree of the highest term. And so since the highest exponent is 7, the degree of the polynomial is 7. And then tell how many terms. Terms are separated by addition or subtraction. And so there's one addition or subtraction sign. So there's one term here and there's another term here. So that gives us 2 terms. Write the polynomial so that the exponents decrease from left to right. Here's my biggest exponent. Here's my next biggest exponent. Constant term is always going to go last because it's technically an exponent of 0. That would be negative 8p to the 0 power. That gives you 1, so you'll just have negative 8 there. Again, the important thing there is that the constant term is going to go last. So you've got negative 5p to the 3rd plus 5p squared minus 8. Identify the degree. Well, since we wrote it from largest to smallest, the degree is 3 because that's the exponent of the highest degree term. And tell how many terms. Well, terms are separated by addition or subtraction. Since I have 2 addition or subtraction signs, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3 terms. So in this case, the degree and the number of terms just happen to be the same, but they're not really related at all. Here's my highest exponent. So we have 6n squared. My next highest is an exponent of 1 plus 6n. Constant term always goes last. Degree is 2, highest exponent, 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. Again, terms, since they're separated by addition or subtraction, you're going to have one more term than addition and subtraction signs. So you have 2 addition and subtraction signs. One more than that is 3, so there's 3 terms. Or you can just count if you're good at recognizing what terms look like. Looks like the highest exponent is 5, so we have 6a to the 5th. Next one is 4, so we have 10a to the 4th. Next one is 2, 2a squared. Constant term goes last. If these have subtraction signs, make sure they keep it with the subtraction sign. If there's no subtraction sign up front, we'll just use an addition sign. Identify the degree. Highest exponent is 5, so the degree is 5. And there are 4 terms here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Looks like the highest exponent is 7, so we have negative x to the 7th power. Next one is 6, negative x to the 6th. Next one is 5, negative 2x to the 5th. Last one here is 2x to the 3rd power. If you want to cross these out as you go to help you make sure you include all of them, not a bad idea. Looks like the degree is 7, highest exponent is 7. And there are 4 terms this time. Highest exponent is 8, 5p to the 8th power, to the 8th power. Next one is 6, negative 5p to the 6th power. Next one is 5, negative 5p to the 5th power. Now we have 4, and finally 4p. Degree is 8. Highest exponent is 8. If you had multiple variables within it, we wouldn't be able to just look at the highest exponent. We'd have to look at adding those exponents together. For instance, 5p to the 6th, x to the 3rd. The degree there is 9. So the degree of the polynomial would be 9, but we're not really going to look at anything like that. Just wanted you to be aware of it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms I'm counting. 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do like 2 or 3 more. constant term would be a good one to talk about. Let's see, 3 more. Looks like it's already written, smallest or biggest to smallest. Degree is 3. There are 2 terms. We want to write the exponent of 6 first. Degree is 6, highest exponent, 2 terms, binomial. For something that has 2 terms, if you want to write binomial, for something that has 3 terms, you could write trinomial. Trinomial again. If you want to write polynomial next to the 4, you can, but you don't necessarily have to. Same thing here, same thing there. This is another special one, the binomial. Same thing here. It's just kind of up to you. You don't have to. So it's just 8. The degree is 0 because it would be 8p to the 0 power, or 8x to the 0 power, which is 1. So you just have 8. So if there is no variable, the degree is 0. A constant term has a degree of 0. There's 1 term, though. 8 does count as a term. I don't think there's anything else that we absolutely have to go over. If I'm in class with you, go ahead and let me know if you have any questions. Degree is 2. There's only 1 term there. It's a monomial. If I'm not in class with you, feel free to email me and I can get back to you later this evening. Have a great day. Make good decisions.